I have got this microwave. This switch was defective on it. See, this little small red button is supposed to stay up, and this microwave was heating sometime it was not heating. So I checked all my switches. Here's the switch holder assembly. So I checked them one by one, and I found this one was stuck. I replaced it. Now look at the new switch. See, when you press it, it should come out, but this switch is not coming out. It's just stuck there, and I will open it for you, and you will see how it looks from inside. So I'll just leave it on the table. See that contact? When you press this, it will engage those two little small contacts, and then the microwave will work. So it's stuck. This button should not stay stuck. It should be out all the time. If you ever see a button, a micro switch looks like that, it's already defective. And from the sides, here's the cover. So the complete switch looks like this. And for opening it, it's not these switches are not really easy to open, but once you open it, you can open it easily. See, and these contacts will also burn sometime, and then you just check across this pin and that pin for continuity, and then while you're pressing this button up and down, if this switch is burned, you will not get continuity between these two while you're pressing it together. And yeah, so thank you for watching. If you have any question, just leave a comment below. Thank you.